Hi, I'm Enchanting Nubianette. Welcome back. And if you're viewing my channel for the first time, welcome. At first, I heard news reports warning residents in Florida and bordering states such as Georgia, South and North Carolina about this horrible storm. But even more shocking are the additional towns within Virginia and Tennessee that are horrendously affected. Now, this Category 4 storm brought heavy rain, flash flooding, strong winds, and even tornadoes, with catastrophic flooding and landslides affecting inland areas, especially the Appalachian region. When you see the footage of how much damage was done near the sea, again, inland and throughout the mountain region, it's incredible. Hurricane Helene caused a historic devastation. Now, warnings for Hurricane Helene were issued as early as Wednesday, September 25th. Florida's Gulf Coast was among the first regions to receive alerts, with additional warnings for Georgia, South Carolina, and North Carolina soon afterwards. And by September 26th, the Thursday, the National Hurricane Center warned of life-threatening storm surges, flash floods, tornadoes, urging residents to take immediate precautions. The storm's intensity was so destructive, especially in North Carolina, where residents face risk of landslides and extensive river flooding. Local and state governments declared states of emergency, and shelters were set up to assist residents in vulnerable areas. And so many more shelter and need of rescue, search and rescue is needed right now. Specific advisories including tornado watches, flood warnings, and evacuation notices were also issued in several counties across these states. Hurricane Helene made numerous landfalls throughout the southeastern U.S. on Friday, September 27th. This hurricane highlights a growing connection, many experts say, between fossil fuel driven climate change and the intensification of severe weather events. And I was so shocked to see that it's as bad as Hurricane Katrina, which took place in Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama on August 29, 2005, almost 20 years ago, where a total of 1,392 people passed away. Now, according to scientists, the storm's rapid intensification of Queen Helene was fueled by unusually warm ocean waters about 2 degrees Celsius, warmer than average, which was directly linked to climate change. This water acted as fuel, causing the hurricane's wind speeds to increase by over 55 miles per hour in just 24 hours overnight, making the storm so much more dangerous as it moved inland. Climate scientists have observed that the burning of fossil fuels lead to increased atmospheric and ocean temperatures, and this extra heat resulted in more water vapor, which intensifies these storms. And so Hurricane Helene was increasing both rainfall and storm surges. The climate crisis is turning, which was once just rare when it happened sometimes. Now it's extreme storms, and it's so much more common and destructive. Now, the cost of Hurricane Helene is expected to be in the billions of dollars. There's extensive damages to so many homes, infrastructure, and power outages. The millions that we're giving away to other countries need to stay right here in the U.S. Rise. It is already. Specifically, about 2 million people have lost power, and an estimate of 130 people have passed away. And those numbers are going to be increasing over the days and over the weeks. Approximately about 600 people are believed to be missing. Last but not least, many scientists, researchers, and their warnings have been ignored allegedly. As these climate-driven disasters grow in frequency and intensity, and there is increasing pressure to transition away from fossil fuels to mitigate future impacts. We do have the access to these resources, the solar panels, battery storage. We have access to wind and resources to create wind, and so much more. However, the changes need to take place, according to the experts. Everyone remember to like, share, and comment, and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks a million and stay safe wherever you are.